Hello, I'm WBZ TV meteorologist Barry Burbank. I've got your forecast for the rest of this weekend and look at the first full week of June. And we're continuing to enjoy all the daylight this time of the year. Let there be light, and there will be light well into the evening hours. Our sunset today is at 8:16, getting closer to that latest sunset of the year, which is on June 26th. It's 8:25 and a few seconds added on for a change there, but it looks like between June 21st, the actual beginning astronomical summer, and July 2nd, that's when our sunsets are at 8:25, because it varies a little bit, the number of seconds added on to that. And then we start going backwards after that, so by the time we get to August 4th, we'll be back to the 8 o'clock sunset, and after that, we'll be going before 8 o'clock. So enjoy the daylight hours, and for the next couple of months anyway. We're looking at lots of clouds today over especially the Boston area and points south. As you can see over Gillette Stadium this morning, lots of clouds started developing and rolling in from the ocean. But down over the Cape, it's essentially clear, just a few scattered clouds. So it's nice and sunny on the Cape, but on a cool afternoon coming up there, mostly between 55 and 58 degrees. But it's going to be soaking wet on Cape Cod tomorrow. For the lakes region, up in the mountains as well, what a great day to be going mountain climbing or hiking or doing camping up there. Just a beautiful day with plenty of sunshine. A few scattered clouds. Will be up near 70 degrees in those locations for this afternoon. Here's what I'm talking about. All these clouds coming in from the ocean. You can see them streaming in like this. We got essentially sunny far off to the northwest. The clouds have been actually penetrating westward, so they're starting to move across Middlesex County and eventually move into parts of Worcester County. Lots of clouds over southeastern Massachusetts, except clear on Cape Cod. Probably going to stay that way on Cape Cod, mostly clear. And then we look off to the southwest and we see the circulation involved with that developing system. Some heavier rain around the nation's capital, around the mid-Atlantic area, and that's all headed to the northeast. So we will get soaked tomorrow. So that wind is coming in from the northeast and running 20 to 25, even some 30-mile-per-hour wind gusts along the coast down over the Cape. So it's adding some chill to the air, that's for sure. So only in the mid and upper 50s along the coast today, to the mid-60s in the far western suburbs, a few upper 60s as you head into where it's going to be sunnier in northwestern Worcester County. Beach and boating for today. Seas will be choppy with these winds running up to 25 knots. The temperature blowing in the mid and upper 50s. The water temperature matches that. The high temperature, the high tide will be around 5 o'clock this afternoon. So here's a system along the mid-Atlantic that's coming northeastward. So we have the cool and much drier air for today. It's not going to turn muggy tomorrow. It's going to be cold and damp with this rain falling. And it looks like it's going to be starting sometime near or maybe near the end of the morning commute and pouring into the afternoon. Hopefully some of this heavy rain will get out of here by the time we get to the afternoon commute. But it's going to be the second half of the afternoon before it starts tapering off. So there's going to be at least a 6-hour window of pretty heavy rain coming on down. On Tuesday, we're left with clouds in the morning, mostly cloudy with maybe a little touch of mist or a few sprinkles off to the northwest. Then during the afternoon, some showers will break out again on Tuesday. As far as Monday's rain goes, tomorrow's rain is going to be about 1.5 inches, give or take a little bit, somewhat lower totals north and west. A few areas may have a little bit more than that. So our low temperatures tonight, 48 to 50. Our high temperatures tomorrow, not going up very much, lower 50s for the most part. And it's going to be so cold that we're going to be near record low high temperatures. My forecast high for Boston tomorrow is only 53 for June 4th. The record low high temperature, in other words, a cold high, is 52. That's set back way back in 1891. The forecast high, I think, will happen in Worcester at the airport is 50. The record there is 51, so we may beat that record in Worcester. That was set back not too long ago at 2012. So these will be your highs across the country tomorrow. And do you notice anything about this? Here we are here in the Northeast. And how many times have I said this? We're in the cold corner of the country again. Well, anyway, looks like it should be warming up later this week, but it's not going to be until the second half of the week, because after we get a slug of rain tomorrow, a few scattered showers on Tuesday afternoon, and some leftover lighter rain and drizzle on Wednesday morning, then it gets better after that. You can watch WBZ News tonight at 6:30 and 11. See it at 8 o'clock on my TV 38. Have a nice rest of the weekend.